If it hurts, stop.
Yeah, that's better right there.
Okay, go ahead and come on back up. Try and twist to the left,
No.
twist to the right. No.
I can just feel it as soon as I barely move my torso.
Really? Have a seat with your legs hanging off the end of the table. So facing that way. No, have a seat facing that way. Yep. We're talking right there. You tell me.
Right about then.
That it? All right, so let's go here. Here. And bring your head down and forward. You kind of bend the waist, or does that hurt you too much? I'm gonna roll you back, okay? Let your body roll. All the way back.
Looks a lot better already.
Now stand up and try and touch your toes.
Dude. Okay, there's still a little pain
Still,
here.
we're not done, but
Yeah,
that's, yeah.
but the toes, yeah. Most definitely.
All right, let's get you on your side facing that way.